Remodeling your bathroom? I'm going to tell you how much it costs. Hey everyone, it's Chris at Fixr.com. We break down the cost to fix up your home so you don't have to stress. One of the biggest remodeling jobs in your home is the bathroom. With so many different styles, sizes, materials, and fixtures to choose from, figuring out how much it all costs can be difficult. For most full bathrooms, you could expect to pay anywhere from $3,500 to $10,000. For larger bathrooms between 60 and 100 square feet, you could expect to pay anywhere from $6,000 all the way to $20,000. But it's important to keep in mind these prices will vary. Before you get started on your remodeling project, you'll need to check and see if you need a building permit. To get the look you want, you might want to hire a designer. Most remodeling jobs require layout and planning. Contractors can plan out smaller bathrooms, but larger ones may require a specific designer. Planning can range between $1,400 and $4,000. This process usually covers the design, drawings, and the materials you choose. The most important factor in remodeling your bathroom is the plumbing. The average cost of updating a full bathroom is around $250. But that doesn't include updating the fixtures and materials, which can cost up to $5,000 or more. Another essential part of the remodeling process is setting up the electrical fixtures. Lighting fixtures you'll see most often are usually some kind of sconce, mirror lights, or light fan combinations. A full electrical fixture remodel costs around $500 to $1,400. Showers and bathtubs are going to be the bulk of your total remodeling cost. There's a lot of different ways to renovate a shower. You could tear out your existing shower and customize a new one, or replace it with a prefab unit with the same size and shape. It depends on what type of shower and materials you choose. If you want to save a little money, prefab showers can cost around $500, but custom designs like walk-in showers can cost anywhere up to $10,000. Bathtubs add value to any home, whether it's by itself or combined with the shower. Like showers, there's many styles and different types of bathtubs, but your standard alcove or tub and shower combo usually ranges from $700 to $4,000. But more expensive tubs like freestanding ones or tubs with jets can cost as much as $20,000. Now with toilets, there's usually a one-piece or a two-piece with different materials to choose from. Depending on the type of materials you choose, you could expect to pay around $600 on average for a new toilet. But if you want to add any features like a bidet or self-cleaning options, costs can reach up to $3,500. Let's go over sinks. You could either drop your sink in or mount it on a countertop, or even install it as a pedestal or part of a vanity. If you're trying to save some money, drop-in sinks, under-mounted, or wall-mounted sinks are the least expensive options, costing between $250 and $650. Pedestals can cost between $350 and $2,500, and more decorative sinks can reach up to $5,000 or more. With an average cost between $4,500 and $9,000, remodeling your bathroom is a big job. With all the different types of fixtures, styles, and designs to choose from, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. Hiring a professional is essential for your bathroom remodel. And when you're ready to get serious about your bathroom, click the link for quotes from local professionals in your area. And be sure to check out our full cost guide for more information, and comment, like, and subscribe for more videos like these. See you next time. What the hell? I'm a little busy right now. Check out one of our other videos.